Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a cinematic glow poster. Use a dark photo with good composition and add blue and orange gradient maps. No duplicate and set blend mode to soft light and add directional glow behind subject. Use color dodge brush to paint highlights and also add soft bokeh for atmosphere and apply curves for film contrast and also add noise to maintain cinematic textures. Paint glow on eyes and edges and apply color lookup teal orange and add subtle vignette for focus. Sharpen center details slightly and merge layers with balance adjustment. Your poster now shines the